MMA Live was a sports show about mixed martial arts. It was seen on ESPN2. The show featured analysts such as Franklin McNeil, Miletich, and others. MMA Live was originally an internet show, but made the move to television after positive reception. The show was also seen in the UK, Republic of Ireland, Australia and New Zealand on ESPN. Since 2011, there have been no new episodes of the MMA Live show produced. However, individual video clips featuring MMA news branded as MMA Live are regularly updated on ESPN's website. Other occasional hosts of the show included Chael Sonnen, Stann, Miguel Torres, Stephan Bonnar and Muhammed Lawal. MMA For Dummies was a segment on MMA Live, which featured mixed martial arts fighting techniques. Each segment demonstrated a single technique in a basic and straightforward manner, performed by a notable mixed martial arts fighter. Hosts, analysts and other contributors. John and Nick, host, 2010 to 2011. Todd Grisham, host, 2011. Jonathan Coachman, guest host, 2011. Kenny Florian, analyst, 2010 to 2011. Franklin McNeil, analyst, 2010 to 2011. Rashid Evans, analyst, 2010 to 2011. Miguel Torres, analyst, 2010 to 2011. Gilbert Melendez, analyst, 2010 to 2011. Muhammed Lawal, analyst, 2010 to 2011. Stephan Bonnar, analyst, 2010 to 2011. Chael Sonnen, analyst, 2010 to 2011. Josh Gross, insider, 2010 to 2011. Brett Okamoto, insider, 2010 to 2011. Molly Karam, correspondent, 2010 to 2011. Gareth A. Davies, international correspondent, 2010 to 2011. Chuck Mindenhill, analyst, 2010 to 2011. See also: Inside MMA. References.